Grow, one of India's fastest growing stockbroking platforms, has just made headlines again. In just a few days after its listing, the stock has surged continuously and its market value has crossed rupees 1 lakh crores, making it the most valuable listed brokerage in India. The market value of the fintech platform and the broking firm Grow is now close to that of BSE Limited, the company that runs the 150-year-old Bombay Stock Exchange. And this is a milestone that shows how rapidly this new age platform has scaled. And this brings us to the big question everyone is asking. How did Grow reach here so fast? Hi everyone, I'm Sejal Agrawal, and in this video we'll explore the reasons behind Grow's incredible post-listing rally, what it means for investors, and why its market value has now crossed 1 lakh crore rupees. So Grow list हुआ था stock market में last Wednesday at around 112 rupees per share, which was already a 12% higher than its IPO price of rupees 100. From that day, the stock continued to rise every single day, and today it went up another 20%, reaching around 170 to 175 rupees per share. In just 4 trading sessions, the stock is now trading at nearly 66 to 70% higher than the IPO price. And investors who got the shares in IPO are seeing huge gains, while those who missed it are surely wishing they had applied. और इसी प्राइस राइज के साथ ग्रो की मार्केट कैप क्रॉस कर चुकी है a level of around 1 lakh crore rupees. Now, to understand how significant is this, let's compare it to the other brokerage companies in India. And Grow alone is now worth more than all the other major listed brokerages combined. Angel One market cap is approx 25,400 crores, Nuvama Wealth approx 26,600 crores, JM Financial's market cap is at around 14,100 crores, Choice International's is at 16,500 crores, IIFL Capital 9,600 crores, Anand Rathi 4,600 crores, 5 Paisa 900 crores, Dam Capital approx 1,800 crores. So this makes a total of approx 99,000, which is still less than Grow's market cap alone, which is more than 1 lakh crores. And this is a huge milestone for such a young company. Grow start हुआ था 2016 में with a goal of making investing simple for everyone. उस time पे most of the brokers had complicated systems, high charges which made investing difficult for the first time investors. And Grow offered a simple mobile app, low cost investing and a smooth experience, especially for young and new investors. And over the years it became one of the largest stockbroking platforms in India, and the results are visible in its numbers. As of June 2025, 12.6 million active clients, 26% market share, and NSE active users at around 47.89 billion, which is nearly 9 times higher than 2016. And all of this shows that how much this platform has grown in just a short span of time. Now, another reason for Grow's success is its investors. Company is backed by well-known global investors like Satya Nadella, Tiger Global, Y Combinator, Ribbit Capital, Elcon Capital, and others. And this support has helped Grow scale quickly, invest in technology, reach more users, and build a strong brand in India. Also, अगर हम बात करें Grow के IPO के बारे में, so that was also very successful. Total issue was at around 6,600 crores, and it was open between November 4th and 7th. It was subscribed more than 17 times. Institutional investors subscribed their portion 22 times, non-institutional investors 14 times, and retail investors 9 times. In total, investor bid for 641 crore shares, but only 36.4 crore shares were on offer. And this shows how strong the demand was for Grow shares. So where will the IPO money will be used? And the company planned that this IPO money will be used to invest in technology upgrades, marketing, expansion, capital for its NBFC arm, working capital, and possible acquisitions. All of this will help grow faster and expand its services beyond just stockbroking. Now the question is, after this IPO gain, why is the stock still rising? अब इसके कुछ reasons हैं. सबसे पहला, इंडिया की रिटेल इन्वेस्टिंग इज ग्रोइंग रैपिडली एंड मोर पीपल आर एंटरिंग द मार्केट एवरी डे, एंड ग्रो इज परफेक्टली पोजिशन टू बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दिस ट्रेंड. Secondly, company has a large and growing user base, strong market share and trusted technology. And third, investors believe कर रहे हैं grow के long term growth potential में and not just its current performance. And finally, we can say कि जो बाकी competitors हैं grow के, they are quite smaller, so grow is seen as the market leader with room to grow further. But it's also important to be careful because some analysts say that the stock is trading at a very high valuation compared to its peers. Also on 17 November, volume spiked sharply, but delivery trades were just at around 25 to 30%, signaling short-term money, not necessarily for long-term conviction. And for a 1 lakh crores valuation to hold, Grow needs consistent revenue growth, better profitability visibility, faster expansion into higher margin businesses. And if it does all this, it could continue to grow. And if not, the stock could face pressure in the future. In conclusion, Grow की story काफी ज़्यादा remarkable है, and in just less than a decade, it went from a small startup to a largest stockbroker of India. It became the most valuable listed brokerage in the country and gave huge gains to the IPO investors in just a few days. And this also shows how digital platforms are transforming the financial market and making investing accessible to millions of people in India. And at the same time, investors should remember that the valuation is high and the future growth will totally depend on the execution. So now, what do you think? Is Grow's rally fundamentally justified, or is the market running ahead of itself? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.